In an age where the call for reliable and efficient energy solutions is ever-present, Kwangyankon spearheads this critical service, specializing in the complete construction of transformer stations and transmission lines. Our dedication goes beyond simply powering locations, it's about empowering your future with sustainable, leading-edge electrical infrastructures. We are pleased to showcase our expert services in designing, providing materials, and installing 160 kVA transformer stations, a holistic solution available in Vietnam. By giving detailed insights into cost factors, technical specifications of materials and machinery, and allied services, we strive to provide our clients with the detailed knowledge needed for effective project planning and execution. Estimation and costing of materials and equipment. Components and financials of the 22 kV transmission line. Setting up a transmission line is fundamental to the operational success of the substation, incorporating a diverse array of components. The construction involves centrifugally spun concrete poles, iron braces, various insulators, and an extensive selection of cables, underpinning the efficiency and reliability of the 22 kV transmission line. Total investment, $3,057, comprising 16.38% of the total project cost. Setting up the 160 kVA substation, inventory and costs. Material requirements, essential for infrastructure stability, including poles, braces, insulators, and necessary foundation materials. Core equipment, ranging from the oil transformer to various cabinets and connectors, every piece of equipment ensures the substation's functionality. Overall expense, $12,319, amounting to 66% of the entire project expenditure. Supplementary expenditures, from design to logistics. Covering everything from initial designs to the final transport of materials, these expenses guarantee adherence to top-quality standards. Aggregate cost, $3,289, accounting for 17.62% of the project's total budget. Financial summary. The total outlay for erecting the 160 kVA substation is estimated at $18,665, with an additional 10% VAT, culminating in a total of $20,531. Customers can discover a comprehensive list of materials, equipment, and their corresponding technical specifications for each aspect of the substation construction cost, detailed in the article attached to this video. Detailed project workflow. Spanning a 45-day period, our workflow is designed to ensure compliance with prevailing standards and effective coordination with relevant authorities. Structured payment plan. With a payment structure designed to coincide with significant project milestones, we offer our clients financial flexibility throughout the construction phase. Guarantee and ongoing support. Kwangyankon offers a 12-month warranty along with committed after-sales support to ensure the continuous performance of your electrical systems. Legal documentation and compliance. A thorough guide on the necessary legal documentation and procedures for constructing a substation in Vietnam, ensuring full legal compliance. Kwangyankon prides itself on delivering top-tier construction services, underpinned by transparent pricing and vast experience. Our dedicated customer support operates tirelessly, ready to assist you whenever needed. For tailored advice and a comprehensive quote on establishing a turnkey 160 kVA 22/0.4 kV transformer station, contact us. Our team of specialists is prepared to navigate you through the planning, costing, and legal aspects, facilitating a seamless construction process. Connect with Kwangyankon today, hotline, +84 9 1975 8191. Please be aware that all costs and processes described are indicative and subject to variations based on site-specific conditions and market dynamics. Direct communication with us will ensure you receive the latest information and personalized services. Please note, all costs and procedures mentioned are indicative and may vary based on site-specific conditions and market factors. Contacting us directly will ensure you receive the most up-to-date information and personalized service.